Before you assemble your Prodigy 2.0 adjustable base, verify that you have all the components by cross-checking the list of contents. Inspect the components for possible damage. Cut the zip tie and remove the mattress retainer. Install 4 legs into the base frame by simply screwing each leg into a tapped hole at the corners of the base frame. On each leg, push the pin in to adjust the legs to the desired height, from 6 inches to 10 inches. Lift the base from the shipping carton, keeping it topside down, and extend the power cord out. Remove the plastic packaging from the base and carefully rotate it so it's resting on its legs. Then plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. Briefly activate all functions of the base with the remote to verify that all features are in working order. If the base doesn't operate, refer to the troubleshooting section of the owner's manual. Headboard brackets are an optional accessory and may not be included in the packaging. To purchase them, refer to the owner's manual. To install headboard brackets, raise the head section of the base with the remote control to gain access to the base frame. Slide one headboard bracket channel onto one side of the frame and attach it using 2 carriage bolts and nuts. Hand tighten the bolts and nuts loosely to allow for future adjustment. Repeat this procedure to install a headboard bracket channel to the other side. Use 2 hex head bolts and nuts to attach a headboard bracket flange to one of the bracket channels and tighten the bolts. Repeat on the other side of the base. Slide the headboard bracket assemblies in or out to achieve a distance of 1.5 to 2 inches between the edge of the base and the bracket assemblies. Firmly tighten the carriage bolts on the bracket channels. Measure the center-to-center distance between the mounting holes of the headboard and between the mounting slots on the bracket flanges. If adjustment is required, remove the bracket flange bolts and move the flanges side to side, then reinstall the bolts and tighten them. When adjustment is complete, install the headboard. This base is equipped with a MicroHook system to hold the mattress in place. If desired, a mattress retainer can also be used. Install the optional mattress retainer by locating the grommeted holes at the foot end of the base and placing the retainer ends into the holes. Press down until the horizontal retainer section is flush against the base. Place a mattress on the adjustable base. Basic installation is now complete.